Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your iPhone supports MagSafe and that the Anker MagSafe Power Bank is charged. Plug the included USB-C cable into a wall adapter and top off the pack to around 20% so it can negotiate charging. Once done, remove thick cases or switch to a MagSafe compatible case so the magnets align. This ensures stable attachment and efficient power transfer. Make sure the pack's LED indicators light to show readiness before proceeding to attach. You'll place the Anker pack on the phone's magnetic center and feel it snap into place. This click confirms proper alignment. Once attached, look for the iPhone's charging animation and the power bank's LEDs. These confirm current flow and estimated remaining capacity. If charging does not begin automatically, press the pack's single power button briefly to wake it. This forces the handshake between devices. Make sure to keep the phone and pack still during the initial negotiation. You'll finish by detaching the pack with a straight upward slide. Avoid sideways pulls that stress the magnets. If you only needed a quick boost, stop when the phone hits your target percentage and store the power bank around half charge for long-term battery health. If something goes wrong, like no charge, noise, or heat, detach immediately. Let both devices cool for 10.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.